How did we come up with the framework for the book? We were really interested in interrogating the idea of sustainability, and sustainability at its core is about the way that we use resources, the things that we all need every day, the things that we use and the things that we use our homes for. So from time and space to food and rest. What surprised me most about IKEA through the process of making the book was the process with the home visits. What IKEA does in an extraordinary way is recognise all of the needs that we each have. And that all comes from home visits. It all comes from speaking to people within their own spaces and taking that knowledge and using it to inform the product. I'd love people to go away from the book with the understanding that we're all very powerful, that our individual actions amount to extraordinary change, and that changing one tiny habit in your day-to-day can be gargantuan in the scale of the planet.